Okay, let's take a look at how to um, open and create things in PowerPoint. So if you've got a template, so here's a template that we used and it downloaded. As soon as I clicked on it, it downloaded. So I need to make sure I go to the download file and open that. And as long as you've got your Microsoft Office 365 downloaded, this will pop up. So you always want to enable editing so that you can edit it, so you can change it. So here's a template to get you started, and we're doing this on the All About Me PowerPoint template. And what you're going to do is insert your name. So if you want to insert your name, and you're just going to do your first name and last initial. So my first name happens to be Jackie and B. So we'll just do that. And then you can see, all I did was click on it. This little text box came up and brought that up. Then it's click on Insert Pictures. So insert up here. So this is something that you can do. If you wanted to add a picture, you can insert. And okay, that just kind of gives you some directions. So insert, you can see that it's underlined, and you can do images, cameo, shapes, a text box. You can do another text box if you want. I'm just going to go to images, and I'm just going to go to I'm going to click on that, and I'm just going to do some stock images, some images that they have. So let's say, for this is the All About Me, let's say you've got a cat and you want to put a picture of a cat in here. You can just see how I typed cat, a bunch of cat pictures came in, and then I selected the one I want, and then I'm going to do insert. And now I've got a cat. And then notice these, the drag buttons. I can make this smaller. Okay, so if I wanted to do that. Now let's say you actually on your computer have a picture of your cat. I'll go to insert. Okay, I got it. Images, pictures, and then so here I could go to, I could insert pictures from my computer. Okay, so if I do from my device, I'd have to find where I have saved my pictures. Okay, and then you can just insert the picture. You just click on it and you can insert it. So you can insert like your favorite things such as food, sports, books you love to read, and more. So let's say I wanted to do an image of some food. I can go to that stock images again, and what do I like? I like sushi. So let me see. I'll do this one. I could insert a picture of sushi. Okay, and I can put it, as you can see, I can put it wherever I want around here. Okay, and then click on Insert Text Box to include text. So insert text if I want to put another box in here. So like this is already a box that I can type in. This is a box that I can type in. So if I wanted to write some things in here, so you can go ahead and delete what's already here. Okay, so you kind of get an idea of how you can put things in here. So I might do All About Me. See, that's a text. This is a text box as well. And then I'm going to put, this is B. Oh, and you know what? I did not have on here. So another thing that you can do is if you go to design, I'm going to change the background. Okay, so I can change the background to, well, maybe I want to do that. Okay, so something cool like that. Now, you only have to do one page for the PowerPoint. Let's go back to the home. So we've done the insert and we've done the design. You could go to the draw if you wanted to, like, you could draw on here. And if you want to get rid of it, just go back to the arrow and then you can delete that. But if we go to home, let's say you wanted to add another slide here, you can add a new slide. Okay. You can just do that. And then you would have a new slide, and there's a couple of text boxes here, and you can move these text boxes around. So all sorts of things that you can do. But for the All About Me, you do not need to have a second slide. I only want you to do one slide. So we can delete that slide. And, oh, right here, choose a background. Click Design from above, okay? So if you're done with this, you can delete this, or it's a text box. So if you wanted to add some more things in here, okay? Let's see, I love the outdoors. So see, I can go through and then in here, if I wanted to put in here, I have 2 adult children. Okay, one lives in Colorado, one in Virginia. Okay. So that's how you can add things into a PowerPoint. This is kind of just basic information on how you can do that, and this is for the All About Me template. And then, oh, you want to make sure you save this. So make sure you File, Save As. You're going to save it as a PowerPoint. So right now this shows you where you're saving it. It's being saved in downloads. I don't want it in downloads. I'm going to go, you can go to your, browse. So it's showing again, downloads. Oh, you should have, why don't you save it on your desktop? And on your desktop, if you go to desktop, you should have saved a bunch of folders, like a social studies folder, a math folder, an ELA folder, and a science folder. So I'm going to save this, since we're doing this in social studies. I'm going to open up that social studies. So here's my PC, here's my desktop, here's my social studies. I don't have anything in my social studies folder yet. So I'm going to put the All About Me template in here, okay? And I'm going to save it. All right, so now it's been named, okay? And it is all set and ready to go. That is how you create a PowerPoint.